intention behind this program is to address this fact that why most manual testers stay stuck even after trying automation. Okay, you must be agree with me that you might have tried this multiple times, watch hours of different tutorials on webs, YouTube, Udemy, but still that might not have brought the amount of confidence that you should have to go and apply for the job. Then if you are someone who is learning without direction, you don't have a structured roadmap, and you have nobody to ask when you're stuck, right? So here in all learning path, there is only one pain point that I stuck here. I was just doing the same like the guy doing in the YouTube, but you know, my program doesn't work. His program work. Now where to ask? Okay, maybe you might be putting the comments to the YouTube, but the reply rate will not be that obvious. And because of this no feedback or reply loop, you know, we tend to give up. And this automation testing have come since very long, maybe 5 years back. And you are when you got to know that, you know, I don't want to stay into the automation testing. Sorry, I don't want to stay into manual testing. I want to go into the automation. This is the only way. You tried learning different things, but still you did not manage the role even after years after year. If you are somebody among these, then this is for you. Because the real problem is not learning the automation. That is, problem is not you. Problem is not that you are not taking efforts to go and learn. The problem or what actual missing part is there is no step by step structure you might have observed. Rather, there is no real implementation, there is no accountability, because you know sometimes we feel that let's do it, but let's try it. So sometimes you try the programs and it depends on your mood. If mood is there, then we will do the coding, practice it, right? If not, then we'll not. And that actually breaks the continuity, that actually breaks the real momentum that you might have built. And because there is no feedback on your work, there is no mentorship. So this goes into loop, into loop, into loop. And that is exactly why so many talented manual testers spend 2 to 3 years learning automation and still don't feel job ready. Actually, the method is broken, not the person. Yes, you're not wrong. Actually, unguided methods are actually pulling you back. Now, I have a simple 3-step method which I conduct among my program, and I helped countless people transitioning to automation. Okay, you can just go and check the website. I'll give you the link. You can just check their videos. You can just see the screenshots of the WhatsApp over there. Okay, almost most of them, those who have got transition from their manual to automation and got a good salary hike, have followed my simple 3-step method. Okay, and that is the first step: removing coding fear. We learn starting with the Java fundamental in a plain language, no prior coding experience is required. In the step 2, We build automation skills. We dive into Selenium with real project practice, write test scripts, write frameworks, and solve the real-time problems that appears in actual QA role, not just any textbooks like an exercise. And the third step is use AI for faster growth. So far, I was conducting the AI directly, but it was not structured. But this batch onwards, I'm going to add four elements to the AI in a very structured way. One is prompt writing, effective effective use of the prompt. Secondly, the tools, coding tools like anti-gravity, cursor AI, and Claude. Third thing is MCPs and workflows. And there is one more thing which I right now don't remember. I'll just open that website and I'll tell you. Uh, I think it is okay. Let it be. That's not important. But here, what we will what we are going to do is, so we are going to move ahead in these three steps. Step one, removing coding fear, then build automation skills, use the AI for faster. Okay, so let's say, just imagine yourself that you are moving from manual to automation. You are building the real code of automation with confidence, and you're working on real projects, and you are job ready in just 3 months. Then don't you think that you should give a trial to it? Because the same we tried and tested on working professional, non-IT background people, freshers, and new graduates as well. After this program, you'll be able to write automation scripts. You ace technical interview skills, work with real frameworks, and the most important, use AI in testing workflows. And in this program, there will be live guided sessions, and more importantly, you'll be able to interact with me directly. You can anytime interrupt me and ask me question. And second most important thing is that you will have my personal number. You'll be able to WhatsApp me, connect to me, call me whenever needed. I will give you the screen sharing support as well. Okay. And as I said, these things will be there. Java plus Selenium plus Cucumber, we are going to conduct. AI in automation testing will be there. Live sessions and recordings will be also there. WhatsApp and screen sharing support will be also there. Okay. So if you ask me the investment of this program, so I'll tell you straight away. But let me also tell you, this program is not a theory heavy with minimal practice, but it is a live mentorship with real interaction, hands-on project from day one. My personal guidance and doubt solving support will be there, and you will exit with confidence, a portfolio, and job readiness. So the investment is only 14,599. Okay, if you pay one time, or you can go with two easy installments, 7,499. So this is actually my regular price. Uh, I used to take uh, since till the last batch. Now, because I have added the AI, so this price surely I'm going to increase. Okay, maybe from the next batch. But as of now, if you want to go ahead and become a job ready person, so I believe this would be the last program you have to attend. After this, You don't have to attend any other program for becoming a automation tester. Okay. So if you are thinking that I don't know how to code, then don't worry. In just 3 days of this workshop itself, you understood that, if I can break your coding fear and help you to understand how to help you to understand or bring this mindset that I can learn the coding, then, if you stay with me for 3 long months, then, not only this belief will be broken, but also you'll be able to write your program with your own with confidence. If you're saying that I don't have enough time to practice, then my friends, it's the skill of the time management, and we only need 1.5 hour daily. Okay. And that too prior to your job. Most of the things will be cleared practice in the session itself, but you just only need 15 minutes to 30 minutes additionally apart from the program, so that step by step it can be completed. And will this actually work for me? So let me tell you, this program is not for everyone. It is only for few serious people who want fast growth in their career. Okay. The batch is going to start from 6th May. Timing will be same, 7 to 8:30. I'm going to take only 20 seats, and in the previous workshop, some seats are already gone. Why? Because I need to work closely with the people who are serious, and I can give my personal support. Okay. So now you have three choices. One, do nothing, stay exactly where you are, same role, same frustration, same ceiling, and see yourself at the same place after 1 year. Second choice is you can figure it out yourself. You keep watching random tutorials and learn without structure. Expect to spend next 12 plus month and figuring out what this program teaches in 3. Or you have a choice, take the expert guidance. Join the proven structured program with real mentorship, save time, build real skills, and accelerate your career in 90 days with support every step of the way. Okay. The choice 3 is the only path that is actually proven by more than 500 plus people in last 10 years. I have conducted this program, and most of them have got the real or the nice job placements, and they are working in uh, better and best of the MNCs. Okay, fine. So now if you want to take an action, so this is the link, amolujagare.com/selenium. You can go to this link, and all the details are given over there. But most probably here there are three options. So what I talked about is this premium option, wherein actually live sessions of Java plus Selenium plus Cucumber, source code access. Okay, here vibe coding, AI testing, cloud anti-gravity, cursor AI, prompt writing, MCPs and workflows. So this is going to be here. So this is the most popular thing. So here the recording access is for lifetime, and you will get one of the book. Okay, so this is my book. It's physical copy you will get at your place, Indian address only. Okay. Or if you are tight to budget, then there is basic option also. So there is no difference between the course content. The difference is here you will get the recording access for 6 months, and that book is not included here. Otherwise, this is also a nice choice. And if you want to go with the advanced, so you can go with the advanced with this option. And here you will get everything in premium, plus you will get API testing course wherein you will learn SOAP UI, Postman, REST Assured Library, Karate Framework, and JMeter. Okay, and the best part of the premium or advance is you can repeat the batch for 2 years. Okay, with no extra cost. So that option is not there in basic. The difference between basic and premium is that in basic you get 6 month recording access, no repeat option. In premium you get lifetime recording access. You can repeat the batch for 2 years, and you get the physical copy of the book that I've shown. Okay, and this will be these prices are going to be changed because these 4 points or these 4 topics, which are the most game changing in the testing industry, which I have added. So hence the prices are going to be increased because so far these topics were not officially there in the course. So that's why this was the pricing. My old students are here. Some of them are here in the room. They already know this. So here, this is the link. Just in case if you want to take the action, then do it right now. Yes, it covers the CI/CD integration flow as well. Okay, I've just dropped the link in the chat. And in case if you have any question regarding this, so you can just uh, drop into the chat, or you can just ask me one-on-one. You can raise your hand, and I'll address that question. Okay. So yes, any questions? Any batch for playwright? Okay, for playwright, just wait for 1 month approximately. Currently, one batch is going on. Or otherwise, if you want the other way around to get into it, then just drop me a message on this number 9657852251. 9657852251. Playwright batch is also there. Okay, fine. Yes. So this was about this. Okay, can we get the prompt you used yesterday in ChatGPT to fill web page using Selenium? Yes. It was not a very standard prompt, but yes, I can share that with you. Okay. From tomorrow onwards, you are going to learn how to design the prompts. Okay. Don't worry. So the next 2 days are for AI, Selenium with AI. So you will learn how to write the best prompt with yourself. So that I'm going to teach you tomorrow. Okay. Yes. Fine. Anything else? If I can help with you with. Okay. Fine then. Just in case if you are having any issues, or if you wanted to talk to us, then you can take the screenshot. These are the numbers. These numbers are also given here, right? On the website also it is there. What is the content in the automation book? Java plus Selenium. Okay, if you just go to Amazon, just in case, let me just see. Maybe the content would be, see, uh, Amol Ujagare. You may see the preview of the book. Here, well, not here. Kindle. In the Kindle version, you might see the content. These are the contents. It's almost everything from Java and everything from Selenium. Okay, so this will be the course handbook. It is also available on Amazon. Okay, fine. So I just got one. Is Playwright with AI better option for current courses? I would say that start with automation. If you are new to automation, just start with Selenium. Okay, and many people say that if I now the Playwright is in boom, so can I just learn only the Playwright? Friends, uh, uh, you need to learn the perspective of an automation tester first. Okay, so you need to be in coding, you need to learn the automation perspective, and you need to come up with the the list of the skill sets, multiple skill sets in your profile. Okay, if you're new and if you have never tried automation at real project level, then I would highly recommend you start with the Selenium. Okay, and along with that, means once you are comfortable with Selenium, then do Playwright as well. Okay, so this is just the started one. Okay, somebody had opted for the premium. Okay, I got a message right now. Okay, well, let me just confirm this. Uh, okay. Congratulations, whosoever have opted it. Okay, I was just saying that. Acha, Acha Ravi Shankar. Yes, your enrollment is confirmed. Yes. Any batch for only a part? No, as of now, no, because uh, when this batch will start, the batch will start from 6th of the May. Okay, you can just go to the link. Is my screen share? I guess no. Okay, I'll just take you through this. Yes, Ravi Shankar, your enrollment is confirmed. Okay, just a moment. I will share my screen here. Okay, look at this. If you go to this page, if you go to this page, okay, like I again shared here. So there you see all the details are given. Okay, so this batch is going to start from 6th May. And this is the time daily. Okay, so it will happen 3 days a week. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, 3 days will be Selenium and 2 days are for API testing. Thursday, Friday API classes are happening. So in case if you go with the advanced, then your classes will be on Thursday, Friday. So API testing batch starts from 14th May, Selenium from 6th May. Okay, and the other details means whatever the content that you want to see, what in detail, so you can just go ahead with this, learn with this. Okay, this is about me. And if you just want to see the reviews of the people, so some of the video reviews are also there, and these are some of the WhatsApp screenshots, some Google reviews. Okay, a fee structure screenshot if you want. Okay, just a moment. If you just go to this link, you will get it. Otherwise, where should I put the screenshot? Okay, take a screenshot if you want. Okay, take the screenshot yourself. Okay, I will just share these details in the WhatsApp group also. Let me just drop the link in the group. Just a moment. I'll keep only this on the screen. Just a moment. Okay, so that I can just drop a message on the WhatsApp group. Okay, so if you want, you can take a screenshot of this. And the link is amolujagare.com/selenium. Simple. Okay, so I can see here I have few more enrollment. Okay, Mahesh, your enrollment is received. Okay, so it is Dhananjay Chaudhary. Yes, your enrollment is also received. Okay, fine. I just wanted to, yes. So I've just dropped the link in the chat. Okay, fine. Yes, anything else if you want to ask? Do we have any other timings? As of now, no. The other timing batch will maybe start in 2 months in the evening. But don't just wait, just start with it. Okay, even if you are not able to uh, join the session, so there are recordings over there, and those recordings are with support, my personal support. So whenever you stuck, you will be able to connect to me and ask any questions. Means, let's say you are watching a recording and you stuck somewhere, you just immediately drop me a message, and I will immediately respond you as soon as, means, I will watch the message, and my response rates are quicker. Okay, so because the best part of my job is, let's say, I'm not doing some job in some company and side by side taking the classes. Okay, earlier I used to do that. So now my time is completely dedicated for my students. I only take morning 2 hours class, evening 2 hours class, and in between I am doing on my own work also, means like study and some other work. But let's say I am free, means you will never see, it will never happen that, let's say, I'm stuck in some company work, some other work, and I cannot reply. So it will never happen. Okay, most at the most you will get your answers or query result within 24 hours. But when you will drop a message, I might have started working on it. Okay, and whenever you require, the screen sharing support will be also given, right? Here, the most important thing happens in this way, that there is somebody you are accountable to. Means on daily basis, I'm because there will be less people, so I'll be, you know, shaking you every day that, have you done this assignment? So here, okay, in a group, maybe I cannot go ask and each and every person that, have you done the homework, and where you are stuck, right? So there you will be accountable. Okay, you will have some accountability for your success. Okay, and there is a reason your accountability increases when you invest. Okay, when you invest, because you see here in this 299 workshop, I got around 150 enrollments, but how many serious people were there? Only around 50 people actually attended live. Okay, so yes, okay, Will raising PR request and resolving conflicts, raising PR request and resolving conflict, what is that? Can you just elaborate more? PR request. Acha, you're talking about Git. Is it about Git? Okay. Basics of the Git we are going to cover. Just in case if you have anything special or let's say anything you are specifically stuck in, then we can work one-on-one there. Okay. Otherwise, basics of the Gits I'm going to cover. But if there is something which is actually really bothering you, then I will sit with you personally and we will find out the solution together. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, and now we have the power of AI, and I know the best how to take the best benefit of AI. So any kind of issue is there, so you don't worry at all. Uh, I will work with you and try to get whatever and wherever you stuck as quickly as possible. Okay, fine. So don't worry. You just take action. Take action. Get into the get into the room and just stay connected to me, and I will be your growth partner. Okay, make me as your growth partner. Acha, one more thing I forgot to tell you that when you will enroll, you don't have to wait till the class to start. Those who have enrolled today, by the end of the day, I'll be giving you the Java recording access. Okay, so that you can start learning the Java, and when the live session happen, you attend that also. But uh, right from today itself, you will be able to start learning the Java itself. Okay, so do take action as quickly as possible because this is the momentum you're in. And okay, just 1 minute. Okay, so just in case if you want to take the screenshot of timing and all that, so here is the thing. Okay, so this is the time. Many people have already taken the screenshot. Okay,